Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video we're going to talk about safely turning a JSON string into an object. If I just want to access the property of the JSON text, I won't be able to do it without converting the JSON string into an object. So first of all, let me just console log the JSON text. So I just want to access the profession of the JSON text. It will give me undefined. So we just can't access the JSON properties without converting it into an object. So first of all, I have to convert it into the object. So for that, you have to use a method. So let's create a variable to string, and I will use the method JSON.parse, and I will pass my JSON text here. It will simply parse or turn our JSON string into an object. Okay, console log again. Need to do it here first. To string. All right, and I want to access the profession here, so let me just run it now. I have to delete this. Okay, as you can see here, so first we have our JSON text, all right, and then we have converted the JSON text into an object. So this is how we converted it into the object. Then we just try to access the property profession of our object. Okay, so this is how we can safely turn a JSON string into an object. And this is all for this video. If you really find it useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.